Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project E-Nursery store. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is also 8. This is a bootstrap theme. We have used the Visual Studio Code ID, so these technology stacks we have used for development this project. If you click on any inspect, you click on that, then you can see this is a mobile version website. This is all of the mobile version. You can see this is all of the mobile version. And now let's start the functionality of this project. Our project title is e-nursery store. We have developed this project with two different types of interface, that is front end face and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface but both are responsive, and we are using bootstrap latest version. So this is a major project. From this project you can learn a lot of things, like how can create the database, how can you manage the database, PHP with CRUD application, create, update, delete, many of things a student can learn. This is an academic project. So let's start the features that we have developed inside the project. So this is the home page. You can see all the products and the categories. All this is a home page. You can see this is all of the bootstrap theme. So this is a, if you click on that, you can see. So the slider here, you can see we have added three images for sliding. If you click the shop now your image has been changed. We try to make this page more functional, more operational. We have used a lot of plugins here to develop this project. So this is all of the home page. Okay, now this is a about us page. This is a static page. Nothing dynamic in this page. You can change the title, you can change the content from the about us code page. Now this is a products page. You can see all the products are visible here. This is a totally dynamic page. All the products are coming from the database. If you click on the view button, like tropical plants, you can see all the details about this plant. So so this is all of the product space. Same for the categories. This is all of the categories. We have added 8 categories, but this is a dynamic. You can add number of categories from the database, from the admin panel. We have separate admin panel for that. If you click on the categories like the vegetable, you can see two plants are visible related to the veg categories. This is a user registration page. This is a login page, and this is a contact us page. It's a totally static page. We have integrated a small map. You can see. So now let's go. If I buy some products, click on the products. I want to buy the Z plant. Add number of plants from here, like a 2. So this is 2 items. Click on the add to cart. You can see. Oh, this is a restrictions. Without login, you can't buy any plants. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any type of plants. Without login, you can't buy any plant. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is just click on the login account. You can see This is a user dashboard. First click on products, click on jet plants. I want to buy two items. Click on the, you can see the items gets, click on the add to cart, and the total amounts gets calculating automatically, and the total amount is 1600. That much amount you need to pay. After that, you can click on proceed button. You will able to say payment page. This is a dummy page, not a real payment gateway. You can enter any card number like a 12345, like a MasterCard, the expiry date 25th, CVV number 123. Click on the make payment option. You can see your payment has been done, and this is a order summary. You can see your order. You can see your orders from the my order page. So this is a user dashboard. This is a very great dashboard. You can see you have the place total orders, confirmed orders, transit orders, and the here you can see important links. If you want to see all the details of any order, just click on the eye icons like a, so you can see your order details. This is a order summary. This, so this is a important links. Either you can go on the page from this, or either clicking on this page like a all products. You can get, so this is a important links. This is a my account page. Here user can update his account. This is a change password. You can update your account password easily from here. So this is all of the front end panel. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this administration option, and logout option is also showing, and dashboard option. If I log out, then you can see upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. So the system is checking who is logging, and accordingly so that upper menu displaying. So that this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin, you need to first open admin like this, slash admin. This is a admin panel. You need to log in first. You can't access the internal page without login. So the login user id is admin@gmail.com and password is test. Now login. This is a very attractive dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, total delivered orders. Mm, You can see everything from here. Even this is a drag and drop thing, because you can minimize it from here. You can refresh the page. You can see. You can minimize from the here like this and click on it. So this is the quick menu. From here you can go on the page from here, and you can see all the products. So this is a admin dashboard. Now we can comes on the products management from here. If you click on the product, this is a add product page. Here admin can easily add the new products, product update, delete. You can add new products and also the update, delete product from this page. You can see this is all of the products which we have added to das- database. There is a pagination. You can see there is a basic pagination here. If you click on the edit button, you can see this is, you can see product will be open in edit format. Then you can edit, and this is the product report page. You can see all the product report. You can export the data. This is whole data in C CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can do also disable or enable from here, from it. Same for the category. This is a add category page. Here admin can easily add the new category, update, delete from here. And this is a all category report. You can edit or a delete report from here easily. This is a order management page. You can see admin can see all the orders. You can see, you will be able to see all of the orders. You can see there is a pagination. It's working perfectly. Click on the view. Click on the view. You will be able to see the product orders. So order is confirmed now. Just click on it. If you want to cancel, just click on the cancel and update. You can see the order has been cancelled. So this is the order management. Click on add to customer. Here you can add the customer. This is a customer report. You can see all of the customer report. This is a change password. Here admin can easily change his password. This is a logout option. So this is all of the admin panel. Oh, you can see the view of admin panel and also view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different types of view for the managing this whole project. So this is all of features we had developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project accordingly to the your requirement. So done. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you watching for this video.